This demonstration we're going to look at managing drivers. Managing drivers is quite important. We're going to be using System Center Configuration Manager to push out operating systems. We need to ensure that the deployment is as seamless as possible. As we have many different manufacturers with many different types of hardware, making sure that we manage our drivers successfully and also efficiently will ensure that our operating system deployments are also efficient. So what we've done here, we've come into Config Manager, we've come into our software library workspace, and we're going to go to operating systems. Within operating systems, if we expand this up, we've got a drivers node. And within the drivers node, what we have the ability to do here is import drivers. So if we right click, we can click import driver, and this will then bring us into a little wizard. And all we need to do in the wizard is start specifying where we're going to get these drivers from. So the first thing we're going to do here on the locate driver is we're just going to browse through to locate our source folder. And the folder that we're going to specify is we're going to specify //lon-cfg /software /drivers /Hyper-V x86. So once I've typed in my UNC path, I just select the folder. Just on the option here to specify the option for duplicate drivers, it's going to say it's going to import the driver and append a new category to the existing categories. I'm fine with that. We'll select next. That brings us to our driver details. So in the case of our driver details here, all we're going to do is we'll have a look through here, check all the tick boxes, and then what we'll do is we'll just click on categories. What we want to do here is we want to create a new category just so that we can have everything nice and tidy. And what we need to do is just fill in the table. I'm going to call this one 64-bit drivers and select OK, and we'll create another admin category as well, and we'll call this one Hyper-V drivers. And again, we'll select OK. Now that we've done all of this, we'll just select OK so we have our two categories. We'll then select next. That brings us to our add drivers to packages. We're going to create a new package, so we'll select new package. We're going to fill out the table. So we're going to call this package Hyper-V drivers. We're going to specify the path where Config Manager will store these drivers. So we're going to specify lon-cfg $E as the root of the E drive, source, and then drivers, and we'll select OK. Then we'll select next. Next thing we've got here is our add drivers to the boot image. We're not going to bother modifying any of this, so what we're going to do at this point here is we're just going to select next. Have a quick read through the summary and select next again. And this will now process. So what we'll do at this point here is this is going to take a few minutes, so we'll just pause the demonstration and return back once the import is complete. We've now come to a tick, so the import is successful, so we'll select close. Then what we'll do is we'll just come to our driver packages node. And what we've now got is we've got our Hyper-V drivers package. So the next thing to do at this point here is we're just going to distribute the content. So we'll right click, we'll come to distribute the content, bring us into another wizard. So within the wizard, we're happy with the Hyper-V drivers, so we'll select next. Then on the content destination, what we're going to do is we're going to specify our distribution point. So we'll select add, we'll go for distribution point, and we'll distribute this to lon-cfg@datum.com. And select OK. Select our next button, read through the summary and select next. That's now processed, so we now select the close button. And that's the end of this demonstration of importing and distributing drivers. Thank you.